Joint venture company. Joint venture company is two or more persons or companies association involved in a solitary business company for profit without incorporation or actual partnership. Example: Vodafone and Telefonica works as a joint venture company and shared their mobile network. A joint venture is a business arrangement in which two or more parties agree to pool their resources for the purpose of accomplishing a specific task. This task can be a new project or any other business activity. In a joint venture, two or more businesses decide to combine their resources in order to fulfill an enumerated goal. They are a partnership in the colloquial sense of the word, but can take on any legal structure. A common use of joint ventures is to partner up with a local business to enter a foreign market. A joint venture between companies can open the way for expansion into a new line of business by each participant at a relatively modest cost. In fact, it sounds ideal if each company contributes its own expertise, but the cost of the venture is split among them. It's only ideal if the companies have a shared vision and an equal commitment to the success of the joint venture.